What's up, guys? It's Chris. It is Thursday. It's Thursday, June 9th. Just giving you guys a little garage update on what is going on here at RestoMods garage. Here's a trans that is going in this 71 Challenger. What do we got going on under here?
So we are upgrading to overdrive. We already got the modern Hemi in it, so now we want the 4-speed overdrive. So shout out to Silver Sport for providing that. We're about to slap this in there and get her all fixed up, get her together.
Awesome, yeah, shout out to Silver Sport, always taking good care of us. Let's see, yeah, they gave us all sorts of goodies. What is that, a 4L60?
Yeah, they call it a A41 because of the modifications they've made, but yeah, it kind of starts off as a GM 4L60.
Right on, right on. Let's see, what else do we got over here? The 69 Chevelle is happening.
Hey, yo.
Dude, Junior wore shorts today. Hold on, let's get this on camera. Junior wore shorts today. This guy's sneaking in here with his shorts on. Junior never wears shorts. That's a new one. It must be summer. So the 69 Chevelle, we're waiting on Rick from RJ's Upholstery to hook us up with the back seat. Once the back seat's in, then the roll cage can go in, then all the seats can go in. He also has the dash, and he is working on those dash pieces. So that stuff will be in here shortly. And the 69 Chevelle, you can see the custom door panels. We got a really nice steering wheel to go on that thing too. So hopefully this will all be coming together towards the end of the week. Rick promised us this back seat, and then we can move from there. Kind of get a good look at that 71 Challenger. And hopefully this trans is going in there today, and that thing will get up and moving. Of course, right here is RM18 68 Camaro, Gen 1 Camaro. Just a beautiful car. If you haven't seen the build sheet on this, head over to restomods.com. Check out the build sheet for this. This is the current giveaway car, our 18th giveaway vehicle. What else is over here? There's another 69 Charger. It's forest green, which is kind of a controversial color. Let's see if we can get a better look at it. Woo! Just a beautiful 69 Charger. A lot of thoughts on this one. They can't decide if we should keep the green or paint this car. So let us know what you think in the comments if we should paint this car or keep it the green that it is right now. RM17 is getting shipped out today to Rod Spickelmeyer in Idaho, in Payette, Idaho. So this car right here will be getting on a trailer today and getting shipped out. The reason for that delay, diesel prices, I guess. It's been really difficult for us to ship vehicles lately. So if you're watching this video and you own a vehicle shipping company, reach out to us because we definitely need more contacts in that department. Try to get winners their prizes in a timely manner. But this one, luckily enough, is going to be shipped out today and should be to Rod by Saturday. So that's a little update on what is happening in the garage today. Again, it's Thursday, June 9th. We're in the middle of RM18. Make sure you're entered to win that 1968 Camaro. And stay tuned. We'll see you guys soon. Good luck.